Okay, here's a revised 3D rendering of the vanity. They're all 21 deep. This drawer is 6 and 3/16, 11 and a quarter, and 13 inches. Three drawers, obviously a match. I need to delete some of this stuff here. This is our pull-out, and this pull-out looks like this here. So this would pull straight out. This would be the face, or the panels attached to the front of it. And on the sides, we would have this look here. Open, the top is open. Seven inches. The layout there. If you want this exactly 6 inches, we can certainly do that. You had a minimum of 6 inches, and then this one is 9 3/4 essentially, and this one's 9 3/4. But that's our layout for the pull-out. Then a 3-inch wide, 3-inch deep, 4-inch tall leg. If you want 4, we can. I don't see a obvious spot to put that. That's why I had stepped that out. But let me know if you want more than 2. The inside of so the sinks need to fit inside that, which should be fine. And the floating shelves on the back are 24 wide, 1.5 inches tall, and then 9 inches deep, and finished on both sides. Finished on both sides. And this wall here for our it's not, oh. For our door here. So that too would be 1.5 inches thick. This panel is going to be inset. And to revise that, this is actually 32 by 84. I'll have to look at. I think you want a 32 in your email. I'll have to confirm heights and then 84 tall in that track here. For the toilet room here, right now I have this 9 inches deep. Sounds like you guys are making some changes in there for the trim, so we can get away with that. So this one would hinge open. They don't make a hamper that's that shallow, so we'd have to make one. And this is the inside of the back, so we only have 8 inches. The material we would make it out of is a 1/2 inch thick, so the inside of that hamper would be about 6.5, because we can't make that hamper go to the back. Maybe have a 1/2 inch gap. So we're down to about 6.5 inches deep on the inside. And then the height of that, the bottom of it would mount here, bring it up to the top, maybe 26 inches deep, just to make sure you can reach to the bottom, because it's not going to be really deep. That would hinge down, and this is just a door on the left, a couple adjustable shelves. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you.